everyone and welcome back to my channel. In a recent vlog I made these festive little wreaths with fairy lights in them, and I figured that while I work on my next vlog I would just quickly edit just the part where I make the wreaths for those of you who prefer to watch tutorials instead of a full-length vlog, even though my vlogs are pretty short, so I definitely recommend watching them if you like sort of countryside vibes and cozy DIY stuff. Anyways, I went out and picked some spruce branches and then also picked some soft young birch branches as well. The birch branches are going to be sort of the body of the wreath, and then I am going to cover it with spruce branches. So I'm going to start off by positioning my birch branches until I have this long sort of branch worm, I guess. I'm sort of alternating the direction of the branch, so I have both thick and thinner parts of the branch, making it kind of even, if that makes sense. Then I am checking to see if I like the size of the wreath and looking very concerned for some reason also. Guess it's part of the process. And now we get to the fun part, which is adding the spruce branches. I have this thin wire that I'm going to use to wrap around the wreath and just add spruce branches according to my liking. I actually ended up on this doing 2 laps around the wreath, but you can just sort of fill up any little empty spaces by going a second lap around. And so yeah, I am just wrapping the wire around the spruce branches. Not super tight or anything, they do stick pretty well. And yeah, then it's time for the finishing touch, which would be the fairy lights. I just had these pretty cheap little fairy lights, runs on battery. And here is the finished wreaths. I really hope you liked this video, and I hope I will see you in my vlogs. Thanks for watching. Bye!